The National Electrical Code, commonly called the NEC, requires conduit sealing in specific areas. This is to prevent the spread of fire, smoke, and hazardous gases, especially during a fire or explosion. Articles 501 and 502 of the NEC outline these requirements. In hazardous classified locations, all conduit systems require sealing at any point where the conduit enters or leaves the classified area. Sealing is also required at any point where the conduit passes through a wall, floor, or ceiling, and at any point where the conduit penetrates a firewall. Finally, sealing is required at any point where the conduit connects to an explosion-proof device. In these classified locations, the sealing material must be approved for such environment. It must maintain a gas-tight and fire-resistant seal, and it has to withstand the pressure generated by an explosion. Turning to non-hazardous locations, conduit sealing is generally not a strict requirement. However, it's often recommended for several reasons. Firstly, it can prevent the spread of smoke and fire. Secondly, it protects cables from moisture and dust. Thirdly, it can improve the overall aesthetics of the installation. Even though the NEC does not provide explicit locations for sealing in non-hazardous areas, general recommendations exist. Firstly, where the conduit enters or leaves a building, sealing is recommended. Secondly, where the conduit passes through a wall, floor, or ceiling. Thirdly, where the conduit connects to a watertight box or fitting. Approved sealing materials for low-voltage installations include fire-rated caulk, expanding foam, duct seal, and sealant tape. When sealing conduits, ensure the seal is both gas-tight and fire-resistant. The sealing material should be compatible with the conduit material as well as the cables inside the conduit. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to the NEC guidelines during sealing. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or engineer for specific guidance on conduit sealing requirements related to the particular installation.